Hey BB family, what's up and welcome back to our channel. How long has it been since I put up a cooking video? Like, it has been months since I upload a cooking video. Because it is now November, my father-in-law has just made a fresh batch of Yuzu Kosho. Yeah, yay! Today I am going to be making two really easy recipes featuring Yuzu Kosho. So let's go into the kitchen. I still haven't put down our Halloween decorations. I will get around to it eventually. Yes, eventually I will get around to it. A lot of you have been asking when we're going to put my father-in-law's Yuzu Kosho on sale. We were actually planning to start selling it this November, but Taka has been very hard at work on a different project. Something that you guys sort of already know about. And I'm working on something else that's gonna be launching in December. So as a result, we just didn't get around to packaging the product and setting up an e-commerce site and selling it to all of you guys. There's just too many things that Taka and I want to work on, and there's only two of us. So I'm really sorry about that. Anyways, today's recipes do not necessarily need to be made using my father-in-law's Yuzu Kosho. You can use whatever else you can buy. Just know that the quantities are going to be a little bit different because every Yuzu Kosho product is different. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in? The first recipe I'm going to be making is something that's kind of like a cucumber Yuzu Kosho pickle. It's actually not a pickle. In Japanese, it would be called aemono. It is so yummy. So after about 5 minutes, the cucumber is starting to wilt. This over here is ultimately what we want all of these to look like. More important than the color though, is that you want the cucumber to really wilt. So you see a lot of these are still pretty hard. So I'm going to give this another stir and then cook it through just a little bit more. This looks perfect. While the pan is still warm, I'm going to give my sauce one final whisk, and we're just gonna go ahead and pour this in. And really, that is all there is to it. That smells so good! Now I'm gonna let the sauce simmer for about a minute. Now I'm just gonna transfer this into some Tupperware, cover it, and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. And this is what it looks like. As soon as it cools down a bit, I am going to cover it and put it in the fridge. Let's let Taka taste this one later tonight. Now for the next recipe. The second recipe I am going to be sharing with all of you today is the world's easiest dip? By the way, Japanese sour cream is far thicker than American sour cream. I have not been able to find American style sour cream here in Japan, but taste-wise, it's the same thing, so this should also work in the States. For this one, I shall do the honors. Itadakimasu! It's so good. After I finish filming, I guarantee I will eat this entire bag of chips. It is so good. It's so good. It's so good. So now let's wait for Taka to come home and try the cucumber salad that we made. I made a surprise today.
Surprise!
Yes. Here you go.
いただきます。おいしい。おいしい。ご飯食いたくなるね。
Olivia wants.
ちょうだいって俺ちょうだい。
Oh no, Olivia, it's too spicy. She's opening it. No.
の？
I
お願い
have
じゃない？ちょうだい。辛い。でもうまい。
No, no.